山天的多这给把妹，一生像葫芦妹，不杀个莫因，被叫路诺，找痛苦的杯，这个被叫巴掌，被叫不有自重，这些我了莫条件，都被都中。不杀个做错对的人要么个台词，这杀个路做路。
Hmong means free, Hmong means unity, Hmong means love, Hmong means family, and Hmong means this. It's our community.
It is breaking through the earth and creating space for ourselves, our communities, and uplifting others.
Means family, means respect, means love.
When I think of the word Hmong, I think about resilience, and I think about all my ancestors that came before me that were trailblazers.
Hmong to me is like a special culture to me because back in the days, it wasn't really like noticeable that we were Hmong.
Being Hmong is being beautiful and strong in the small community that we have.
Hmong is special to me because no other people know what Hmong is.
Because just being me, who my blood or who my family is. I would describe it in one word, which is perseverance.
Mong là Mong là biết đây ship luôn, đây ship bang, đây trong có lẽ cứ biết ra ship.
It means love, family, and unity.
Hmong means to me is to come together, to support each other.
Our people is a true example of what resiliency and being adaptable is.
Mong này ý hành này và nó cứ mua chân chơi hành đồ của những vị kia của dòng mong, của dùng nhau đồ chơi mong, lo nhau đồ chơi mong là ý chân này xia rồng.
Rồi trong đi trà là bây giờ mong ý ạ, mong cá chỉ là bây giờ tròn sạp mong, bây giờ rồng xia thì bây giờ này thì sư phụ.
Quý Mong. I am Mong.
Quý Hmong.
I am Hmong.
Quý Mong.
I am Hmong.
Quý Mong.
I am Hmong.
We are Hmong.